Good morning, children. Already discussed the two group hydrolysis. Remaining two group hydrolysis is there. Third one, salts of strong acid and weak base. For examples like ammonium chloride, CuSO4, CaCl2, AlCl3. Okay, these are the types of salts of strong acid and weak base examples. One example I will say that NH4Cl. How to prepare the ammonium chloride? In NH4Cl means salts of strong acid and weak base. Suppose how to prepare NH4Cl? NH4 plus OH is a weak base plus HCl to get the what? NH4Cl. This is the weak base, this is the strong acid. To get the ammonium chloride, salts of weak strong acid plus weak base type ammonium chloride to prepare the ammonium chloride. Okay, consider the hydrolysis of NH4Cl. In NH4Cl, it reacts with water to get the NH4OH plus HCl. This is the NH4Cl is a strong electrolyte. This is the weak electrolyte. This is the weak electrolyte. This is the strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte means completely ionization. Weak electrolyte means weak electrolyte partially ionized. Okay, in NH4Cl, if you can write the ionic form of equation NH4 plus Cl minus plus H2O in reversible reaction, NH4OH means do not ionize, H plus and Cl minus. Cl minus get cancel. You can write the NH4 plus H2O to get the NH4OH plus H plus NH4OH plus H plus. Only cation. These such salts undergoes cationic hydrolysis. Such salts undergo cationic hydrolysis. Cation reacts with water. To give acidic solution. pH is what? Less than 7. pH is less than 7. Okay, NH4 plus it reacts with NH4 plus H2O. Reversible reaction, NH4OH plus H plus. Okay, at the initial in concentration and the hydrolysis, we have to find the hydrolysis constant. Initial C, this is the 0, this is the 0. At equilibrium, we have to write it at equilibrium. At equilibrium, C into 1 minus H. C means concentration, H means hydrolysis, CH, this is the CH. You can find the hydrolysis constant KH, tying the law of mass action. NH4OH concentration H plus concentration upon NH4 plus concentration OH2 NH4 plus concentration. Take K, you have to find the hydrolysis constant CH into CH upon C into 1 minus H. You can write the CC get cancelled. KH is equal to CH square by 1 minus H. Already you know that 1 minus H is less than equal to 1. That means KH is equal to CH square. H is equal to root KH by C. Root KH by H means degree of hydrolysis. Degree of hydrolysis. Okay, degree of hydrolysis. Degree of hydrolysis. In hydrolysis constant and degree of hydrolysis also find. You can find the KH into Ka. KH into, that means a weak base like NH4OH. Weak base like NH4OH. NH4OH. In reversible reaction, NH4 plus OH minus ion. We have to find the base hydrolysis or base equilibrium constant of base. You can find the equilibrium NH4 plus OH minus concentration upon NH4OH. Already discussed, KH value already discussed, KH into KB. We have to find out H plus, we have to prove the H plus and OH minus concentration. KH means NH4OH. NH4OH concentration, H plus concentration upon NH4 plus into KB means NH4 plus concentration OH minus concentration upon NH4OH. Have to cancel the NH4OH, NH4OH, NH4 plus, NH4 plus. KH into KB is equal to H plus concentration OH minus concentration. You can find the KH into KB is equal to what? KW. KW is equal, that means KH is equal to what? KW by KB. KW by KB. Hydrolysis constant is equal to KW by KB. Okay? And next, you can find the pH values. You find the H plus concentration, and this is already H plus and OH minus concentration is KH into KB is equal to KW. KH is equal to what? KW by KB. Okay, you can find H plus and OH minus concentration is equal to KW. H plus OH minus concentration is equal, already discussed, NH4 plus H2O in reversible reaction, NH4OH plus H plus concentration already given for initial C. This is the 0 0 RT equilibrium C into 1 minus H. This is the CH. This is the CH. Okay, H plus and OH minus concentration. H plus concentration already given. H plus concentration is equal to C into H. Already C into H means already given. H means H is equal to what? Root That's why root KH by C. Suppose H plus concentration is equal to C into root KH is equal to what? KW by KB into C. Listen, C, you have to write it root C into root KW by root C into root C by root KB into root C. You have to write it root C get cancelled. H plus concentration is equal to what you can write? Root KW into C by KB. Root KW by C into KB. You can write now to find the pH value. pH is equal to what? Minus logarithm of negative logarithm of concentration. H plus ion is called as pH. pH is equal to minus log H plus concentration is equal to KW into C by KB of, okay, pH is equal to minus of log KW plus log minus log KB plus, that means minus log KB plus log C, actually log C. Okay, pH is equal to minus, that means of minus log KW minus into minus, minus of minus log KB minus log KB minus log C. Okay, already you know that minus log KW is equal to what? PKW minus PKB minus log C. This is the final equation for salts of strong acid and weak base pH. Okay, the main concept, this is the KH. KH is the hydrolysis constant. KH is equal to KW by KB, and H plus concentration is equal to CH. H means the degree of hydrolysis, root KH by C. H plus concentration you have to be root of KW into C by KB. pH is equal to half PKW minus PKB minus log C. This is the explanation for salts of strong acid and weak base. Last fourth type is salts of weak acid plus weak base. Some examples are CH3, COONH4, that means ammonium acetate and ammonium carbonate. How to prepare the ammonium acetate? This is the examples for salts of weak acid and weak base. C, that means weak acid like CH3COOH plus weak base like NH4OH. To get CH3COONH4 plus H2O. This is the salt hydrolysis. This is the prepared for ammonium acetate. Okay, consider the hydrolysis of ammonium acetate CH3COO NH4. CH3COO NH4 it reacts with water to get the weak acid and the weak base. like CH3COOH plus NH4OH. CH3COONH4, this is the strong electrolyte, this is strong electrolyte, this is the weak electrolyte, this is also weak electrolyte, this is also weak electrolyte. Listen, if strong electrolyte is, you can write the ionized form CH3COO minus NH4 plus. It reacts with water to get CH3COOH plus NH4OH. CH3COOH plus NH4OH. This is the cation, this is the anion, this is the cation. Cation and anion, these such salts are both cation and anion hydrolysis to result the almost neutral solution. That means such salts both cationic and anionic hydrolysis, cationic and anionic hydrolysis to give almost neutral solution, Next, the cation CH3COO minus plus NH4 plus, it reacts with water to get the CH3COOH plus NH4OH. At the initial time, this is the concentration C. This is the 0, 0. Reactants are not converted into the product. At equilibrium, C into 1 minus H, because this is the degree of hydrolysis. C into 1 minus H, this is the CH, this is also CH. We have to find the KH. KH is equal to CH3COOH concentration, NH4OH concentration upon CH3COO minus NH4 plus concentration. Okay, we have to find the KH is equal to CH3COOH means CH into CH upon C into 1 minus H, C into 1 minus H. C get cancelled. KH is equal to H square by 1 minus H whole square. Already you know that 1 minus H less than or equal to 1. That means very weak electrolyte in denominator. 1 minus less than equal to hydrolysis is less than 1. That are equal to 1 minus H are equal to 1. You can write that KH is equal to H square. H means degree of hydrolysis. KH is equal to H square. H is equal to what? Root KH. This is the degree of hydrolysis. This is the what? Degree of hydrolysis. Next, KH into K into KB equal to KW. KH into K into KB is equal to KW. You can write the KH values. CH3COOH, CH3COOH, CH3COOH in reversible reaction CH3COO minus plus H plus. This is weak acid. You can find the K is equal to CH3COO minus H plus concentration. And weak base also or weak electrolytes This is also CH3CO minus H plus concentration CH3COOH. Next, weak base NH4OH. You can write the NH4 plus OH minus. You can find the Kb. Kb is equal to NH4 plus OH minus concentration upon NH4OH. Okay, KH into Ka into Kb is equal to what? H plus concentration and OH minus concentration. How to prove this one? KH means what we can write? CH3COOH, CH3COOH, NH4OH concentration, NH4OH concentration, CH3COO minus NH4 plus into Ka means you can write CH3COO minus H plus concentration upon CH3COOH and Kb into Kb NH4 plus OH minus concentration upon NH4OH. You can write the NH4OH, NH4OH will cancel CH3COOH, CH3COO minus NH4 plus also get cancel. Can write the what? H3 KH into Ka into Kb is equal to only remaining H plus and OH minus concentration. Okay. KH into Ka into Kb is equal to H plus OH minus concentration is called as the ionic product of water. Kw is equal to what? Kw is equal to KH is equal to hydrolysis constant is equal to Kw by Ka into Kb. This is the hydrolysis constant. Next, we have to find the acid, that means H plus concentration, and the acid concentration CH3COO minus plus NH4 plus H2O in reversible reaction CH3COOH plus NH4OH. Already given the initial at equilibrium, initial already given C, this is the 0, 0. At equilibrium what? At equilibrium C into 1 minus H, C into 1 minus H, CH, CH. Already given, discuss this one, CH3 cation and anion hydrolysis to give the acetic acid and NH4OH. But only H plus is present in weak acid. You can find the H plus concentration. That's why in CH3COOH, in reversible reaction, CH3COO minus plus H plus concentration. Can find the Ka. Ka is equal to CH3COO minus H plus concentration upon CH3COOH. Now to find the H plus concentration, H plus concentration is equal to Ka into CH3COOH concentration upon CH3COO minus concentration. CH3COO minus concentration. CH3COOH is a CH. CH3COO minus is a C into 1 minus H. C into 1 minus H. H plus concentration is equal to Ka into CH3COOH means what? Then write the CH upon CH3COO minus is C into 1 minus H. Okay, C get cancelled. Already you know that 1 minus H is a weak electrolyte, that is equal to or equal to 1. H plus concentration is equal to Ka into H only. Already discussed, H is equal to what? H is the degree of hydrolysis. H is equal to root KH. Root KH. H plus concentration is equal to Ka into root KH. Root KH. KH already given. KW by that is equal to Ka into what? Ka is equal to KH is equal to KW by Ka into Kb. Okay, H plus concentration is equal to Ka into root KH means what? Root KW by Ka into Kb. Okay, in H plus concentration, you can simplify this one. Root Ka into root Kw by upon root Ka into root Kb. Ka get cancelled. H plus concentration is equal to root of Ka into Kw by Kb. This is the H plus concentration. Okay, pH is equal, find the pH values. pH is equal to what? Minus negative logarithm of concentration H plus ion. pH is equal to minus log H plus concentration means Ka into Kw by Kb of. You can write the pH values. pH is equal to of minus log. You have to write the minus of first minus of log Ka plus log Ka plus log minus log Kb plus log Kw. Okay, pH is equal to of minus. First we have to write the minus log Kw minus log Ka minus of minus log Kb. Minus of minus log Kb. Then write the pH is equal to of minus log Kw means what? pKw. Minus log Ka means pKa. Minus log Kb. Minus log Kb means what? pKb. This is the pH of salts of weak acid and weak base. pH value, pH is equal to of pKw plus pKa minus pKb. In these salts, main concept is H is equal to degree of hydrolysis is root KH and hydrolysis constant equal to Kw by Ka into Kb. In H plus concentration is equal to root Ka into Kw by Kb. Last final pH is equal to of pKw plus pKa minus pKb. Last briefly I will discuss the 4 different salts, serial number and salt, hydrolysis, resulting solution. And hydrolysis constant means a KH, and the next degree of hydrolysis H, and the last pH. Listen carefully. Already discussed the strong acid and strong base do not ionize. H plus concentration is equal to OH minus concentration, that is neutral solution. And mainly discuss the three salts. One is salts of weak acid, salts of weak acid plus strong base, hydrolysis, anionic hydrolysis. Anionic hydrolysis means resulting solution is basic solution. Hydrolysis constant is equal KH is equal to KW by KA. Hydrolysis H is equal to root of KH by C, and pH is equal to what? pH is equal to half pKW plus pKa plus log C. This is the pH. This is the salts of weak acid and strong base. And the second one is salts of strong acid plus weak base. Cationic hydrolysis. Which hydrolysis? Cationic hydrolysis. Resulting solution is acidic solution. KH is equal to hydrolysis constant. KH is equal to KW by KB. H is equal to root KH by C. pH is equal to half pKW minus pKb minus log C. This is the pH. Another one, last one, third one is salts of weak acid plus weak base. Which hydrolysis? Both cationic and anionic hydrolysis. Cationic and anionic hydrolysis. Almost neutral solution. Almost neutral solution. KH is equal to what? KW by Ka into Kb. Degree of hydrolysis is H is equal to root KH. pH is equal to half pKw plus pKa minus pKb. This is the third source of hydrolysis. Salts of weak acid and weak base, both cationic and anionic hydrolysis, almost neutral solution. Hydrolysis constant is equal to KH is equal to KW by Ka into Kb. This is the H means what? Degree of hydrolysis. Degree of hydrolysis. Degree of hydrolysis. H is equal to root KH. pH is equal to half pKw plus pKa minus pKb. This is completed for salt hydrolysis.